Right. Just heading away. I was lucky to find this place last night. And they were good enough to let me park inside in the restaurant. Yes. It was dark when I got here. Oh. Ah, you take on. Do you know what the key you left in the box? There's always something. Oh. After another false start. I think it's this way, is it? Yeah. Yeah. And away we go. Need some screen cleaner. Let's get some at the next service station. How are we doing for petrol? Half a tank. Right, head for the motorway and fuel up. The Grand Braderie, whatever that is. Large braderie. Let's Google it. Nice little lake. No, it's just go fucking straight through. Heading for Cannes. Well, yeah, we're back on the motorway. Back on the motorway. Let's see. Route to Cannes. Route to Rennes. Which way do we go? Oh, it's telling us go towards Cannes. Didn't want to go back on myself now. Okay, change of plan. I'm gonna head for Spain. Fuck it. So let's go to the See where we're going. Head down for Toulouse. Why the fuck does it turn it upside down like that? That's the way the fucking world is. There we go. Bilbao. Let's head for Bilbao. Clear fucking... Right. How do we clear this thing? Clear next stop. Yes. We'll do our Dorsor Glen on the way back. So we'll head for... Hang on a sec now, I want to change these settings. Settings, map display and guidance. Show points of interest. 2D rotation, 2D auto zoom. It doesn't say it, does it? Okay. Let it go off. Yeah. Styles. Yeah. We'll figure it out. Do that tonight in the hotel. Let's see. Let's head for Bilbao anyway. B-I-L-B-A. Bilbao. España. City centre. 600 kilometers. Fuck me, it's a long way. Well, I can do that. It's early enough. It's 9 o'clock. So if I do a 12-hour day, we'll be there no bother. It says we'll be there. Yeah, after my hole. Let's let's go round the roundabout and see. Yeah, it's that one. Right, this is the one we wanted. Heading south. Well, we're at a motorway, so I'll knock off the camera and talk to you later. It's time to stop for some juice. We don't want to do what we did yesterday and nearly run out. I'm still heading south. I'm not feeling the heat yet though. It's not too bad, but I think I might put another layer on. Oh, that's grand now. To do a bit of faffing to get at the petrol. Not too bad though. Let's don't even think about parking behind me now, because I'll be here faffing. Wonder what she'll take now. Try and squeeze the last old spit in her. That might just get me up a hill. I'm running out. Tenner. 6.91 litres. €10.29. It's €1.48 a litre. Dear enough here now. There is there is. Piece of paper. There we go. There you go. Filling up in France. Same as anywhere else. No big fucking deal. Just be all moaning about it. I don't know, some people are drama queens. Right. I'll knock this off and go in and pay. Oh, I should have washed the windscreen, I forgot. past this line of trucks. Jeez, you can feel the old breeze off them. $120k piece of cake. I'll just slip in here, bring her back down to about 110k so she's not roaring. Oh yeah, she'll sit at this all day long, that's it. It's a good little bike now for accelerating and getting past the lorries. It's easy enough. For a 300cc. Actually, I don't even think it's a 300. I think it's about 270 or 280. I must Google it. I hope this camera is on now and I'm not talking to myself again like a fucking idiot. Yeah, sure, what harm. Turning off here for Bordeaux. And the sun is coming out now. Hey, hey. Bordeaux motorway. Okay, it's a long way to go yet, but at least we're in the right direction. Alright, let's see, we're going over. I just want to check something here now. Okay. Mind the fuck, I'm letting you out. Oh man, look at this. Here's a some bridge now. Hope the fuck this is recording. It's fucking amazing. Oh yeah, great view. Just as amazing what men can do building bridges like this. Watch this fucking clown here, look. Jesus, you want to be fucking awake at 6 o'clock in the morning for these fuckers. Coming up to the first section of Péage toll road. Yeah, well, I don't think it's too expensive for a motorbike on these toll roads anyway. It's different for an Arctic. So, looks like we just take a ticket at this one and pay when you get off it. Oh, I used to dread these things when I was driving trucks, because the gendarmes are always there waiting to pull you for your tackles. Look at them over the far side. Fuckers. Look at them. Ow. Come on, come on. Time for a rest for a minute. We'll sort ourselves out. Right, don't lose that ticket or you're fucked. So, that needs to go with the credit card and the passport. Same again, so just come through the first Péage, collected my ticket. Anyway, we go. That can't be fucking right. That says 332. Jesus, lads, will you ever fucking invent a decent sat nav? Am I reading that wrong? Oh no, I am reading it wrong. Sure, fucking, I typed in Bilbao. Bilbao was 638. Right, yeah. Oh, that's okay. Stupido. Right, I'll save the battery. It's 300 kilometers of this. Time to get some go-go juice again. Air de la Vendée. I think I stopped here before years ago. Vendée. Rings a bell. Yeah, next one is 55 k's. Could do with a coffee now and something to eat. Had nothing since breakfast. And it wasn't much of a breakfast. Scabby old roll and a croissant. Let's see what this crowd have to offer. Anything there for diabetics? Bar in the cafeteria. I'm sure that'll do. I think we'll get diesel first. On this way. Up this way. Oh, this is nice. Little sheltered area and everything against the sun. It's easy now, we're coming south. Okay. Oh fuck, what's this now? Give her a second. Let the turbo cool down. Stop for a cup of coffee and something with a bit of pizza, but pure shite. So I had to shed a few layers. It's getting very fucking warm, and I'm not even in Spain yet. So walking along the hard shoulder in this heat is not good for you. That's what you get when you don't zip up the fucking bag and something falls out. Well. Zip that. Ah, fucking eBay. Yeah. Wants to be flying with. Don't give you a chance at all. Better get going and get off this fucking road. Or this hard shoulder. It's gonna drive me mad now, so I might as well fix it. Now we're fucking right. What was that one? Throw the drink now. Just got a bottle of water and nice cold bottle of water actually, and readjusted the bags. I like the way that's lying down a bit. Ah, it's alright. Should be alright. I like that yellow bag, that's fucking great. That's great. If we could do without the saddlebags to be perfect. And saddlebags aren't any joke. Although they're handy for this shit. Right. Now we're up to 805 kilometres from home. Interesting. Should we have 1,000 done today anyway? Oh, it's getting hot now. I had to take off another few layers. Down to the t-shirt now and a jacket. And of course, the padded fucking jeans. So that'll do. Alright, we'll keep her going for another while. Flat land, flat farmland. Lovely. Air to St. Leger. 1 kilometre. Yeah, that's the worst about having a small fuel tank. Well, I suppose it's good in a way, it gives you a chance to rest. Get the numbness out of the fucking arse. 400 metres. Wonder would have something to eat here. The last place was shite. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh, get out of the way, you fucking clown, you! 51314. Wonder how much that fucking number plate cost. Oh. No. I'm south of Bordeaux, heading for Bilbao in Spain. Sun is going down now, so I'm gonna have to put on another layer. Jesus, scorching there a half an hour ago. Now it's gone cold. So the plan is, there's some blast off that. The plan is, here we go, San Sebastian 188. The plan is probably stay this side of the border tonight and cross over into Spain tomorrow and get down as much of Spain the next day as we can, tomorrow as we can. What day is today? Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, we'll be down to south of Spain tomorrow night. Spend the weekend down there and head back up. How bad? Oh, I could be a fucking truck sandwich here now if you don't get a move on. Andale, andale! Riba, riba! Andale! Oh, there's a blast of air off that. Come on, Betsy. Fucking great power in this little thing for a 300 boy. I'm delighted with it. Well, she can pass trucks anyway. That's the main thing. Now we'll bring her back down a bit. We don't want to fucking redden it either. Sitting at about 115. She seems to be running away fine anyway, touch wood. Trying to push on a bit while I have a bit of daylight left. Whoa, blow me off the road. Yeah, we need to stick on a Genzi for the last hour. Wait for petrol. Just under half a tank. We'll get a fill now in a while. Let's just see where we are. Ah, bollocks, péage. Robbing cunts. More money. I paid my road tax in Ireland. Shouldn't have to be paying. I mean, we're all in the EU, lads. Should have a special rate for bikes anyway. That last stretch was 17 or 18 euros. That's crazy, like, for a bike. Right, that's enough of that. I'll save the battery till later. Oh, what have we got here? Leave it on for this. Getting tired now. Okay. Restaurant, 1500 meters. French restaurants don't do it for me. It's supposed to be the best food in the world. I think this fucking shite. Will I pull in? Will I pull in? Yeah, I suppose I will. Doesn't tell me when the next one is. Fill up with petrol again. Ah, fuck it, keep going. Keep going while we have the sun. A little bit of it is left. That could have been a mistake. Now I'll freeze my balls off now in a few minutes. Come on, we'll get past this clown. Oh, the peage. $3.60. Fucking hell. I got no ticket. And they're looking for $3.60, so there must be. These must be mended, eh? No, they're not. Oh, this is going to be a pain in the nuts now, I bet you. $3.60. Oh, yeah. Might have it in change. Fucking have to. Something fucking came back out on that. What's that? $0.30. 20 cents. Ah, yeah. That's lucky now, isn't it? Thursday evening. It's getting dark now, so and we're running low on fuel, so the next petrol station now I think we'll pull in, fill up, and try and find that hotel or any hotel. I was hoping to get one on the motorway, save me fanny acting around in little town or village. Jeez, I was lucky last night. They left me park the bike inside in the restaurant and everything. Jeez, it was great. Yeah, no petrol here, but it looks like it's just a parking area. So we'll keep going till the next one. Quarter of a tank. Well, we don't have a quarter of a tank, we're on the fucking red. And as I know from past experience, that drops very quickly. Okay, I don't know if you can see any of this because it's gone dark now. Or twilight. Not that shit, you know. There's a sign here now. It's got food anyway. I can see the fork and knife, or the fork and spoon. It's got petrol. That'll do for us. I forgot to see how many kilometers it was. Yeah, sure. We'll fill up in a minute and then we'll find a hotel. Right. Long day.